Hi everyone. So I compiled these lists of websites to replicate a lecture by Jorge Luis. So let's go ahead and dive into the first book. Uh, it's called Professor Borges. It has 25 classes. It's pretty much like an entire course. The next one we have is his lectures on poetry. He conducted them at Harvard in 1967. They're 4 hour long, so that's a lot. Um, there are six different like lectures on top of the ones here. You have 31, which is great. Um, Next up we have the book version of the Norton lectures in case you don't want to listen to the course. And here's like a little snip interview on him explaining the task of art if you're curious. And the non-fictions, there are like thousands of pages on essays on different like authors works, like he wrote about Joyce's Ulysses, for example. I mean, there's a lot to unpack here. So on top of all the other content, like you're really set. So I know I'm going off topic, but I feel like you'll get a lot out of it if you read up on his favorite short stories or favorite books. So it's all free here. Just click on the clickable link and you'll be able to read them. And he has great taste in literature, so if you like what he likes, you're most likely gonna like um his taste of literature. This is just a longer list that he has, like 74 books. And yeah, I actually had a wish list made for y'all of the longer list. So yeah, that's all I have. If you have any questions, put them on the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.